Good morning, students. In fifth standard, last period, we start our 10th chapter. 10th chapter name is time. Then, in last period, we learned about 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Then, in this period, we will start our next point. Next point name is addition and subtraction of time. Then, first one is addition. Step first is add the seconds together if seconds are given. Then there are 4 steps of solving examples of addition of time. First step is add the seconds together if seconds are given. Step second is add the minutes together. Add the minutes together. Step 3 is add the hours together. And last step 4 is if the number of minutes is 60 or more than, then do the following. If the number of minutes is 60 or more, do the following. Convert the resulting minutes into hours and minutes. Convert resulting minutes into hours and minutes. Number of hours thus obtained, add with hours already obtained sum. Hence, we get resulting sum of given time. For example, we have given example first, add 2 hours 20 minutes to 5 hours 30 minutes. Solution is write hours and minutes separately, that is 2 hours 20 minutes plus 5 hours 30 minutes. Then addition step first is add the seconds or minutes. Then add the minutes. We have given minutes, that is 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 3 is 5, that is 50 minutes. Then in hours, 2 plus 5 is 7 hours. Then example second, add 5 hours 55 minutes to 6 hours 35 minutes. That is solution is 5 hours 55 minutes plus 6 hours 35 minutes, that is 55. Add the minutes, 5 plus 5 is 10, again carry 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, that is 90 minutes. Then hours is 5 plus 6 is 11 hours. This is example second of addition of time. Then since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so 90 minutes is equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. Add 11 hours and 1 hour 12 hours. 11 hours 90 minutes is equal to 12 hours 30 minutes. Convert 90 minutes into hours. Then third example is add 1 hour 40 minutes 50 seconds and 3 hours 50 minutes 40 seconds. Then solution is write separately hour, minutes and seconds. Then firstly addition starting from minutes. Step first is add the seconds, that is 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 4 is 9, that is 90 seconds. Then add the step second is add the minutes. Then 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 5 is 9, that is 90 minutes. Then next step third is add the hours. 1 plus 3 is 4 hours. Since 90 is greater than 60 seconds, so 90 minus 60 is 30 seconds and word to the minute column. That is, we have given 90 seconds, then convert them 90 seconds into minutes. Then we know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then add 1 to the minutes column. Then if 90 minutes give become 91 minutes. So 91 minutes greater than 60, that is 91 minus 60 is equal to 31. And now add 1 hour to in hours column, that is 4 hours. We have given 4 hours, that is therefore 4 hours plus 1 hours is equal to 5 hours. Hence 4 hours 90 minutes 90 seconds will be 5 hours 31 minutes 30 seconds. Then this is the addition of time. The next one is subtraction of time. If number of minutes being subtracted subtrahend is more than original minute minus, then subtract 1 from original number of hours. Increase the number of original minute by 60. This process is called regrouping. Increase the number of original minute by 60. This process is called regrouping. Subtract the minutes. Next step is subtract the hours. For example, first of subtraction, subtract 5 hours 50 minutes from 9 hours 20 minutes. Then 20 minutes, 9 hours is greater than 5 hours. Then 9 hours 20 minutes minus 5 hours 50 minutes. Then subtract firstly minutes, that is 0 minus 0 is 2 minus 5 is not possible. Then borrow 10 from hours column, that is 10 plus 2 is 12 minus 5 is 7, that is 70 minutes. And then 9 minus 1 is 8, that is 8 minus 5 is 3 hours 30 minutes. Since 20 is less than 50, we cannot subtract 50 from 20. Since 20 is less than 50, we cannot subtract 50 from 20. Therefore, we regroup hours and minutes. Subtract 1 hour from 9 hours. And add 60 minutes, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes to 20 minutes. Thus 9 hours 20 minutes will become 8 hours 80 minutes, that is 8 hours 80 minutes minus 5 hours 50 minutes, that is 3 hours 30 minutes. This is the example of subtraction. Next we have given exercise 10.2 related examples to addition and subtraction of time. Then our next calculation of days. Look the following calendar for the month of August 2012. Study the above month of August 2012 and answer the following questions. Then first question is, Neha's brother went to Goa on 16th August 2012. What day was it? See the calendar of August. 16 August, the day is Thursday. 16 August, the day is Thursday. Second question is, does the month of August have 30 or 31 days? The August having 31 days. Does the month of August always has 30 days? Yes, the month of August always has 31 days. How many Sundays were in month? There are 4 Sundays in the month of August. Then Reena went to Surat on 8th August and returned to 19th August. For how many days was she away? 8 August to 9th August, that is 19 minus 8 is 11 days. Then we have given one note. A leap year comes after 4 years. 2 weeks make a fortnight. In a leap year, February has 29 days. In leap year, February has 29 days. Then our next point is addition and subtraction of days. First one is add 4 weeks 5 days to 2 weeks 4 days. Then step first is add the days together, that is 5 days plus 4 days is 9 days. Then step second is add the weeks, that is 4 weeks plus 2 weeks is 6 weeks. This is weeks and days. Add firstly days, next one is step second is week. Then step 3 is if the number of days is 7 or more, do the following. Since 1 week is equal to 7 days, so 9 days is equal to 1 week. 1 week is equal to 7 days, then 9 days is equal to 1 week, 2 days. Now add 6 weeks and 1 week is equal to 7 weeks. Add 6 weeks and 1 week, that is 7 weeks. That is the 6 weeks 9 days is equal to 7 weeks 2 days. Answer 7 weeks 2 days. That is 6 weeks 9 days, that is 7 days having 1 week, that is days, convert days to week, that is 7 week 2 days. Then second example is subtract 2 weeks 6 days from 4 weeks 1 day. Subtract 2 weeks 6 days from 4 weeks 1 day. Since step first is since the number of days in mind is less than number of days in subtrahend, so subtract 1 week from 4 weeks and add 7 days with the day, that is the days 8 minus 6 is days is equal to 2 days. Subtract the weeks, 3 minus 2 is 1 week, that is 1 week 2 days. Answer is 1 week 2 days. Next one we have given exercise 10.3. Then our next point is solve this exercise in homework. Next point is relationship between days and hours. Relationship between days and hours. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. To convert days into hours, multiply days by 24. To convert days into hours, multiply days by 24. Then first one is convert into hours, that is 6 days. Then 6 multiply with 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 6 days is equal to 6 into 24 hours. That is 144 hours. Then second example is 5 days 7 hours. Then 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 5 days is equal to 5 into 24 hours plus 7 hours. That is 120 hours plus 7 hours. That is 127 hours. Our next point is to convert hours into days. To convert hours into days, divide hours by 24. To convert hours into days, divide hours by 24. First example, first is convert into days, that is 360 hours. That is 360 divided by 24 days. That is 15 days. We have given 15 days. Next one is 300 hours. That is 300 divided by 24 days. That is 12.5 days. That is 12 days for 12 hours. 12 days, 5 hours. Then next point is relationship between hours and minutes. Relationship between hours and minutes. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. To convert hours into minutes, we multiply hours by 60. Then for example first is convert into minutes. First example is 20 hours. We have to convert 20 hours into minutes. That is, we multiply 20 hours into 60. That is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 20 hours is equal to 20 multiplied by 60 minutes. That is 1200 minutes. Then next point is 8 hours 30 minutes. That is 8 multiplied by 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. That is 480 minutes plus 30 minutes. That is 510 minutes. This is conversion of hours into minutes. Then to convert minutes into hours, divide minutes by 60. To convert minutes into hours, divide minutes by 60. Convert 3000 minutes into hours. That is 3000 minutes divided by 60 is 50 hours. 3000 minutes divided by 16 hours is equal to 50 hours. This is relation between hours and minutes. Then our next point is relationship between minutes and seconds. Our next point is relationship between minutes and seconds. That is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. To convert minutes into seconds, multiply minutes by 60. To convert minutes into seconds, multiply minutes by 60. For example, convert into seconds. First one example is 15 minutes. We have to convert 15 minutes into seconds. That is 15. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That is 15 minutes is equal to 15 multiplied by 60 seconds. That is 900 seconds. Then second one is B is 20 minutes 50 seconds. That is 20 multiplied by 60 seconds plus 50 seconds. That is 1200 seconds plus 50 seconds. Addition is 1250 seconds. Next point is to convert seconds into minutes, divide seconds by 60. Second point is to convert seconds into minutes, divide seconds by 60. For example, convert into minutes. Convert into minutes, that is 120 seconds we have converted them into minutes. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 120 seconds is equal to 120 divided by 60 minutes. That is 2 minutes. Then 2730 seconds is equal to 2730 divided by 60 minutes. That is 45.5 minutes or 45 minutes 30 seconds. This is relationship between minute and second. Next time we have given exercise 10.4 related examples to conversion of relationship between days and hours, relation between hours and minutes, and relationship between minutes and seconds. Solve the exercise 10.4. Then here our topic is finished. Then next period we start our 11th chapter. 11th chapter name is profit and loss. Okay, thank you.